Hello and welcome to another 3 in 3 minutes video. This is from Dave and it's about how to prepare your 2018 personal tax return in Canada for the Canada Revenue Agency, the CRA. So there are 3 steps I'm going to tell you in 3 minutes. I'm going to show you some screens. The first step is gather all your information. So today is March 1st. You're supposed to have all your information, and if you don't, then it should be coming very soon. If you have all your slips, that's one good thing. Secondly, you should open a CRA online account. So go online, and then when you prepare your income tax return, you will just hit a button to download all the information into your return, save you a lot of time keying it in. Also, you're sure then that it's the exact information that CRA has. So the second step is to download free income tax software, step number 2. And I'm going to show you how to do that directly from the CRA website. Third step is open them both at the same time and then prepare your tax return. Now we're doing free tax workshops in Ottawa through not-for-profit organizations and our clients. If you're a member of one of those, you have to sign the form first, give it to your host, and we'll come. If you need help, here's our number on the screen, 805-7367. So step 1 is you have to go and find your CRA account, right? So how are you going to do that? The first thing is you have to search in canada.ca, as you can see here on the right, for these words, Certified Software Net File. And then this will bring up this page, and you'll click on the first item, 2019 net file. This is for your 2018 return. And this will give you a page where you can open your account or register for your CRA account, as well as download the software. Okay, so I scroll down, I'm here on the right where my cursor is, I click My Account, and it opens a page where I can register for my account. There's a video here on the right that I'm showing with my cursor. Or you just go down a little bit further, and in the middle of the page you open, log in, or register for your account. That's simple. So once you do that, you go over here on the left at the backspace key, hit the backspace, and you're going to go back to the exact same page we were just on. And over there on the left, where my cursor is, free products. And so you're going to download, you're going to scroll down. I recommend TurboTax for Windows. TurboTax free for Windows, and this is completely free and allows you to do 4 returns. So you're going to download that, and when you download it, it's going to ask you to register your name. It's going to give you a license. You have to enter the license. Then you're going to get the software. You're going to register it, and you're going to get the exact same software everybody has, but you're going to get it for free. And then, as it says on the screen here at the bottom, the last step now is to prepare your tax return. You're going to open them both at the same time, and you're going to go step by step, or with us, we're going to show you step by step on your own laptop, your own software, and you're going to e-file it